Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Google Nest Audio. I do have quite a few Google devices already in my home. There's so many other smart home devices, ranging from Alexa devices to Google devices, even to Siri devices. So for me, Google is the smart home assistant of choice, and so I am going to be adding this as an addition to my Google collection. I'm not sure what part or where I'm going to include this in my home, but let's just go ahead and unbox this video. If y'all want to see a review of this item, just let me know down in the comments below. But for today, we're only going to be unboxing it. So let me get my cheap unboxing kitchen knife right here. So let's see how this goes, y'all. Okay, all right, let's get that out. All right, Google Nest Audio. How do you open this thing? Oh, right here. All right, guys, I believe it's right here. There we go. Voila. We have the Google Nest Audio in this box. Okay, that's pretty neat. It's actually portable. It's really small. It's smaller than what I expected. It's not that bad. I mean, it's a comfortable device. And you're not really supposed to be moving these back and forth all around the house anyway. You're probably just supposed to just set this up somewhere, maybe next to your computer. But yeah, it's not bad. I mean, the dimensions are really, really nice. And then you do have an audio on and off right there. So if you don't want Google to listen to you, you can just mute that button right there and Google will be muted. That's pretty neat. Not a lot of Google branding as always, so I like that, very subtle G right here, and then also on the bottom right there. So yeah, let's see what else is in the box. I'll put this to the side. All right, it does come with your connector, your power connector. Let's see what else is on here. We have that, and then some instruction manuals that nobody pays attention to. Nobody reads these. I don't. I know I don't, and I'm one of those people who don't necessarily read any of this. So we're just gonna toss that back in there, and this is going to be a quick video, y'all. Again, like I said, this is just an unboxing video. If y'all want to see a review of this item, please let me know in the comments down below. So depending on how it sounds, I might be getting another one and pair it up so I can have my left and right channel together. I do have other Google Smart Home devices, like I mentioned in the earlier video, and I'm a big fan of this mesh material that Google has on their products. It's pretty nice, and this is no different. The quality feels premium on it, and I can't wait to test it out. I would love to play some music for you guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can find some free audios to play, and that way we can at least try it out and check out some audios that we might be able to hear from this. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and get this bad boy connected. We can get it connected to the internet and get it set up, and we'll see how easy that process is. All right, so I'm back in my Google Home app, and we want to go ahead and add it on as a new device.
Hi, bonjour. To get started, download the Google Home app. Pour commencer, téléchargez l'appli Google Home.
Okay, that's pretty easy. To set up the Nest Audio, you want to go ahead. First, you're going to see right here, it's going to say set up Nest Audio, because it's going to let you know that it actually found a new device. But if you don't see it, you can just go ahead and click that plus button. For the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and just click the plus button. Now it says looking for devices. All right, Nest Audio found. Would you like to set up Nest Audio? Yes, absolutely. Let's go ahead and set that up now. It's connecting, and I believe it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Did you hear the sound? Yes. We're gonna agree to that. Okay, and let's put this in. Let's put this in the office. Connecting to Wi-Fi. It's really very easy steps. You just follow the prompts on your phone, and that would automatically just let you know what the next step to do is. And you know, because it's already connected to your home Wi-Fi, you don't need to type in your Wi-Fi password or anything like that, which is something I really like. And now it says it's connected, so connection done. So now it's installing the new software update. It's going to run this process to get your Nest speaker up to date. It's going to want to run you through the controls and all that good stuff. All right, it is finally ready and it is done, now installed. It wants you to test it out, so it says play some music. I don't want to play any music right now just because of copyright strike, so we're gonna avoid doing that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish the setup, and yeah, like I said, it's really nice. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so you'll be one of the first people to know when I upload a new video. Yeah, smash the like button as well, guys. It helps my YouTube rating. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking behind and watching this video, and I can't wait to catch you in the next video. Peace.